Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video, where we grab something we have in stock, talk about what it is, and what it does. The Galeforce Audio F-3 Series 8 250-watt RMS marine speaker is designed for high-performance audio in marine environments. Whether you're cruising through calm waters or facing challenging marine conditions, this speaker ensures your music remains powerful and clear. The F-3 Series features a two-way bi-amperable design that can power the woofer and horn separately. Its 250-watt RMS output delivers impressive volume and clarity, and the horn delivers 100 watts RMS, while the glass fiber cone and aluminum horn provide durability in harsh, marine environments. The speaker's neodymium magnet enhances sound quality and reliability, making it an ideal option for marine use. Now on to some of the features. It includes a 2-inch low-frequency 4-ohm voice coil, and a 1.5-inch high-frequency 4-ohm voice coil that provide a sensitivity rating of 92 decibels and 106 decibels, respectively. The speaker has a frequency response of 65 to 6,000 Hz for the woofer and 3,000 to 20,000 Hz for the horn, ensuring a wide range of sound reproduction. With a mounting depth of 4.5 inches, it's easy to install, and it includes a capacitor to further enhance performance. This combination of high power, durability, and sound quality makes the Galeforce F-3 Series a standout choice for marine audio systems. Let's talk price. The speaker is about $265. If you're interested, you can buy it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/Galeforce Audio. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to also comment something that you would like to see unboxed. It really does help out the channel. Thank you, and see you on the next one.